smell of rain on the road. I seen the dust on a market dress, and I swear my heart lost control. From Lagos breeze to Cape Town waves, every mile got a story to tell. I love this land with an open chest. I wear its name like a spell. And when the drum rolls in, my feet don't lie. I feel that call way down inside. Golden smile, strong and free. You know what Africa means to me. I love Africa, oh, Africa, oh. I love African women, they shine like no one knows. I love Africa, oh, Africa, oh. I love African women, my heart says stay close. You got the fire in your laugh, the grace in the way you stand. Beads on your wrist, pride in your eyes, soft touch, but a strong right hand. From Nairobi to Accra nights, from Addis roads to Joburg flow. Every queen I meet reminds me there's more love than I can hold. And when you move like that, the room leans in like the whole wide world got a beat within. Sweet voice, bold and true, I keep on falling into you. I love Africa, oh, Africa, oh. I love African women, they shine like no one knows. I love Africa, oh, I love Africa, oh. I love African women, my heart says stay close. From the hills to the coastline, from the sun to the clay, I found my home in your hands, in the names you say. No matter where I roam, this love won't fade. Africa in my blood, and the queens I praise. I love Africa, oh, I love Africa, oh. I love African women, they shine like no one knows.